Alright, here it is in extract mode. That's the height. You can see inside all the suspension and everything. You can hear the pump, whatever you call it, still running. The compressor. Look at that. You can see all inside underneath. Pretty cool. I can't see what I'm recording, but hopefully you guys can see. Pretty cool. There's some more Tesla. It smells burnt under here. It smells like burnt rubber. Okay, what's that side? We can, sure. Where? This side is more... Oh, it stopped. The compressor stopped. There's the how it connects over there. Yeah, we can go to a place near City Hall. Let's see.
Oh, it's a lot of places there.
Yeah, there's a lot. It's a it's a nice eating area.
Sorry about that.
Oh, you got lots of room. Okay. Same thing on this side, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Let's see the other tire wheel from there. Whoa, you can see how it goes down there. About the front. The front doesn't have much sticking out. And if I close it, it's gonna go back into like regular mode. So I'll kind of show that in a bit, how it goes to the lowest mode after this. Okay, let's go into the lowest mode. How quick does it drop down? It's really high up. You can see my waist or my belly button is like where the seat is. That's how high it is now. And let's change it now over to, I can't reach, dynamics, sport mode, and controls, ride height, entry. I can hear the air deflating back here. Let's go to the other side. See if you can see the truck lowering. Yeah, it's going down. Dropping to entry mode, height. Look at that. Now it looks more like a sporty car. It looked like a monster truck and now it went to a sporty looking car. Okay. Now, height. Height is below my belt. Dropped quite a bit. Alright, so there we go. That's the air suspension. Extract mode. You can't drive like too fast at those higher modes. Extract mode is more like, I guess, to get out of a, if you're stuck. And then this is the entry mode, which you don't drive at this mode either. It drives at low mode or medium, depending what you set. Alright, that's pretty much it. The higher modes, I think it's limited to like 20 or 25 miles an hour or something. But, yep. Alright. Alright, got the Cybertruck back. We're about to head over to City Hall to charge up, and then my friend and his Model 3, we're gonna go to the drive-thru
right onto Central Avenue
at Chick-fil-A and then get some food, and then he said we'll eat in his car. Here are some cups in there. It has this nice little rubber thing that grips it really well. Fits well. Right, so the Frunk is a perfect place. You can actually, like, if you want, use it as a table, or you can sit on it and just eat there. They do need like some flat thing here, so maybe you can use that as a table while you sit here. Then it'll be perfect. Maybe I should raise it higher, it's low. Okay, so apparently you can't raise the ride height while the charging cable's connected. It's grayed out and it shows here. So I wonder what will happen if I raise it up and then I plug it back in. Let's try. Okay, so I raised it up to high. Is it high enough to eat now? It's raised to high. I'm gonna plug this back in. Not high enough? I need it in extract mode. Give me a second. Let's see, how high is it? So using as a table, it's still a little bit low. Let's go into, that means we gotta change the dynamics to off-road. Confirm, controls, and now we can go to extract mode. I wonder if it's gonna lower itself down when I plug in the charging cable or if it will stay. It's becoming a nice table. So it's like, I need to work on your computer. Let me put it in extract mode. I'll use this as a table.
But you don't have a charging cable here.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't have a plug here. I wish they added one. I don't know what the extra like power thing that they showed. Maybe they have a way because they have the light bar thing. Okay, it's still going up. People are gonna be like, what? I don't know. That's what I'm wondering. That's why I'm wondering how you open this. I should check. I don't want to just break it off.
Quite a nice.
Yeah, now it's like a nice
cocktail mixer level.
Cocktail mixer level. Now it's a decent height for using as a table, and it's still going up a bit. So we'll let it go and then we'll see. It takes a while to go into extract mode because you can hear the compressor running to inflate it. I don't know if it will stay that height when we plug it in. We'll find out. It's still going up. You can see that. Is it getting too tall or is it good? Oh, it's getting higher. It's still going up. Rosemary.
Smells so good.
Yeah, I can smell it. Free rosemary. It's still going up.
It just rained yesterday, so
Is it gonna be too high now? It's still going up. It's getting too high now.
it's great.
It's still going. Yeah, it takes a while to go to the max height because it keeps running the compressor. It's still going, isn't it? It's still going up.
So it has to be around like
that high? That's pretty high.
No. Belly level is fine.
This level's like where my elbow's almost 90 degrees if I had a keyboard or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice height. So it's about good work desk level height, and I think it stops. So that's good. Let's plug it in and see if it goes back down or if it stays up. Okay. Oh no, the cable, I need to pull it back. Give me a second. Okay, let's plug it in. It's staying raised up. I'm gonna turn on the charging. All right, it's about to charge. There we go. And it's staying up. So I wonder if that means if I close the door, it's gonna stay up as well. You can see it's calculating. All right, 11 hours and 45 minutes to get to 87. I don't want 87. Who did that? We need 80. Go back. Okay. So there we go. And so that's 11 hours, 45 minutes, 10 hours, 20 minutes now. Okay. So we'll let that go. Let me close it and see if it stays up. It's staying raised. Okay. My EUC looks so tiny. It's almost like gonna fall underneath there. I can barely lean on it. The truck is so high up. Look at that. Now that the suspension's all the way up, let's see if we can take a look underneath. Okay, you can see that metal plate going there. It goes all the way back there. Bottom is pretty clean, nothing really sticking out. So if you're going like over rocks and stuff, you only have these little slight edges. those little elbows or whatever you want to call it sticking out. See that? It's pretty nice. I'm gonna unplug it and lower it back down, but let's take a look some more underneath. There's the back. Alright. Looks good. Alright, now I'm curious. If I unplug it, is it just gonna lower down? Let's see. And no, it's staying up. Alright, what about if I open and close the door? Nope, it's staying up. Interesting. Alright, so let's go ahead and go back down to entry. I can hear all the air deflating. That slowly going down. You can actually see the thing over there traveling down. I'm running out of room to get in there. I don't know if the tire ever hit back there. Looks like kind of smudged. There you go, all the way lowered.